Hey there. Today I'm going to demo deviceConnect and Trust, that are the MobileLabs products. First we'll start with deviceConnect. So this is how the deviceConnect will look on a web browser. Here I can log in. After logging, I'll see these 4 tabs. So on the device tab, I'll see all the devices that are currently connected to the deviceConnect server with the correct status. You see all these devices are available and this one is in use. If I change the filters here, I'll also see the offline devices. Offline basically means that the device has either been plugged out or the battery is drained on that. This is the applications tab where we can upload applications we want to test. deviceConnect will automatically inject our agent into the applications, and then we'll be able to connect to these apps. We can also create users. Currently we support 2 kinds of users. One is the admin, another one is the tester. Admin has the full access to all the deviceConnect features. Testers have access to only devices and applications. We also have the system tab, where an admin can or a tester can capture logs of the deviceConnect system and the devices. They can also restart the system services if needed. And this tab is basically for iOS management. What we do here is we download the installer for iOS provisioning tool, and then we provision the MobileLabs applications and then upload those applications here through browse or directly to the applications tab. After that we can proceed and connect to any Android or iOS device. For the automation part, what I'll do, I'll first connect to an iOS device here and select this phone look application. You see here the application installed successfully on the device. I'll choose the scale I want to be on, 50%, hit start. What I see here is the device screen. Now I'll go ahead and launch HP's Unified Functional Testing tool. As you can see, Trust has a tightly integrated add-in for UFT and QDB. We need to make sure that when we launch UFT, the add-in is checked and loaded. I'll go ahead and create a new test. I'll use object spy to spy these objects. As you can see, these objects are coming back as Mobi objects. This is the Mobi element, and we can view all the properties here. So these are all the native properties that are coming right from the application. These are the properties for the edit. We can even highlight these objects here. So our next step would be to go to the object repository and add these objects. We can even rename these objects. And the button. We have all these objects. Now I can go ahead and write a small script that would log into this application. First, let me clear all these views. I'll set the username. And the password. Activate the switch. And then click the sign in button. Now I'll run the script. It entered the username, then the password, activated the switch, and logged in. What we can also do with trust is we can create the checkpoints. We just need to start recording here. Select this option, hit OK, then select our standard checkpoint, select the object, and then check which properties we need to keep. I'll just keep the text property, hit OK, and then stop the recording. You see this line gets added to the script. I'll go to the object repository and make sure our object is identified. We're getting this error because the object description is not unique. What we can do is we can add an ordinal identifier. And this is our object. And now if I run the script, we will see whether the checkpoint passed or failed in the test results. I'll log out the application and then run the script again. Now launch the test results. As you can see here, the checkpoint passed, and this is the object on which we had our checkpoint. This was for iOS. Now